or sometimes it would charge, but you have to plug your cables only one way, or the cable wouldn't hold in there in the charging port. It will just slip out. So I was start looking what's the problem is. I was thinking the charging port needs to be replaced because it was using Chinese cables. But then I found that people saying you have to clean your charging port. So I went ahead, grabbed my needle and start digging in. And I found that the charging port was plugged with the dust and other garbage. So I scratched a little bit with the needle, and I cleaned it out pretty good. I couldn't see anything else in there. Blow some air in there, and then I went and plugged my charger again, and luckily it started working, no problem. The charger start sitting there really good, like it's brand new, and there was no problem anymore. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and